Hello, I'm going to show you how to create invoices from our system. So first you log in and then you go to accounting, and these are for recurring billing scenario where we are sending a same amount to the same customer every month. So primarily for Kit Carson Electric and fiber to the home business. Once it pulls up, what we'll do, we will look at all the invoices that are listed. As you can see, that's being populated right now with all the customer invoices. And one quickest way to look at this is to go to invoice date, and if you do click on it, you can search by invoice date and you see the last time it invoiced for that particular customer. So as you see, these are the last date of invoice. So what you can do, this first one here for $1,500, status of draft, was created by the system. So at this point I can actually go in and open that up, and then look at it. This is for the IT support, $1,500. I can edit it to make sure all the dates are correct and the messaging is correct. So you see right here, now I'm going to change the invoice date to the first of the month, because every first of the month we're supposed to send them an invoice. So I'm gonna change that to the first of the month. Since I'm videotaping, system slowed down quite a bit, and everything else stays the same except for right here, IT support for month of, I need to change that to October. So here I go, October, and billed in November. Wow. Billed in November 2017. So this is very important that we change that additional information here to reflect the current data and payment terms set to immediate payment. Then we save it. Once it's saved, then you look at everything and you have to validate. You validate it. Now you can send it via email. Of course, you can always go see what we have done in the past by looking at previous invoices. So this is a template based email. What I'm gonna do is change this thing so the subject is more descriptive. Invoice for support. November 2017. So try to be as descriptive as possible. Sorry, change that to 2017. And then what I'm gonna do is change the email to make sure it goes to Andrew Gonzalez. So I'm gonna pick him up. Andrew Gonzalez at kitcarson.com. So make sure that email is set correctly, and then over here also I say hello, attached is an invoice for IT support for the month of October 2017. Okay. The reason it's very slow right now because I'm videotaping, as well as there is a spell checker here as well running and checking for every single thing in that document. So everything else is correct, and all I have to do is send it, and off it goes. So that must be done every month on the 31st. Come in and make sure we're sending the invoices to the customer. So at this point I already sent it, and his system is thinking I'm waiting for it to register the payment, and the status changed to open, and then you'll see that all the information is captured already. And if you go down below, you'll see that the transaction we just done, including create the invoice and sending it out, it's all under history recorded. So this is how you send an invoice out to the customer. So it's very, very important that you go through and make sure the description and all the details are correct. Hopefully you will be able to do it, and it's very easy and simple. All you gotta do is try a few times